Tim with Kaizink here with a quick improvement video. Put together a slide template to help build proofs for emails a little bit quicker. So it's titled Apparel Email Template. We've got a lot of different shirts and colors. These are all of our shirts that are in the specials, so polos, t-shirts, and hats. And what we can do to build a quick proof is we can go into Google, and I'm going to go ahead and Google Kaizink and look for a logo online. We go to images here, and we can go and just pull a logo right off. So let's see, this one looks pretty good. We're going to copy this image, go back to our apparel, and we'll select the black t-shirt here, paste the logo in, size it down. You can put it right there. Now the blacks don't exactly match up. A lot of times if we can find a transparent logo, it works a little bit better. But for the purposes of showing you how to do it, this is the process. And best practice is to find a transparent logo. If not, try to match up a shirt color to the logo. Thanks.